Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use PDF Reader in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. For the sake of this example, I will save this file as a PDF. So click on File and then you can select this option for Save a Copy. You can browse. Okay, now for the sake of this example, I will save it as a PDF file on the desktop. Okay, now I have this PDF file here. Okay, and then I will open this PDF file with Edge. Now see, here's the difference. If I open any normal website on Microsoft Edge, it would be just normal. There would be no toolbar here. But when I open a PDF file on Edge, I get this entire toolbar which allows me to use the highlighter, to draw, to erase things, to add a text box, to ask Copilot, to print, copy, save, etc. and edit it with Adobe Acrobat. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.